everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. Today I will prepare how to prepare halwa. So let's get start into the video. Okay, take 1 cup of gram flour, sanagapindi. Okay, take a pan and flame on it. Okay, now pour it the gram flour on that pan. Now roasted it. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Hit the bell icon and select all for all notifications, guys. Okay, next take 1 cup of sugar. Okay, take another pan and pour water on that. Now add sugar on that and flame on it. Now melted the sugar. Okay, now take 2 ilachis and pour on it on that sugar pan. Please like all my videos, guys. Please support me. Okay, now flour roasted and add 1 cup of water on that. Okay, mix it well that there are no lumps. Okay, the sugar was melted. Now add the sugar consistency onto flour consistency and mix it well. Okay, mix it well. Now flame on it again. Okay, now add ghee. I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. And again mix it well. Okay, now it's completed. Off the flame and take a bowl and serve it. So this is the Father's Day special Besan Halwa. Happy Father's Day to all of you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Keep smiling, guys.